Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today, I'm going to do a makeup haul. Hindi ko siya binili. Oh my god. Hindi ko siya binili. Bigay lang ito ng ate ko. So let's get on. Let's get on to the video. So ito, una is makeup. Nakasulat yun na makeup kit. Kit ba? Kit. Wait. Lightning. Flashlight lang gamit ko, guys. Hindi kasi ako masyado mayaman eh. First, Caroline. Hindi siya totoong powder. I mean, hindi siya totoong pang makeup na powder. Parang powder lang na ganito. Expired na kasi laman niya. Kaya I put it in the trash and I put some powder here. Don't mind that. And I had a eyeshadow, Lancome. That's how it looks like. This is the gray, white. I don't know what color this is. Maroon or brownish. Ito wala na to. Kapag may gusto kong itago or money mo, dito may lagay. Put the eyeshadow. Okay, balik ito. Put the eyeshadow back. And yeah. There you have it. Next that I have is 2-in-1 eyeshadow. Yeah. Sa ibang bansa pa ito ata eh. Bigay lang ito ng kaklase ko. And pag inopen na siya pag ganito. Ito brown na may dot dito. Purple. Ay, hindi ko pala inan. Pink. Yeah, pink. Yeah, pink. Next. Kaunti lang naman itong mga makeup ko kasi hindi pa naman siya buo-buo. Sa birthday ko, magpapabili na lang ako kay ate. May 1, 2007. I have purple here. White. Purple. Brown. Pwede siya pang contour. And I have this pink for blush din. And I have here lip tint. Dear Darling lip tint. Bigyan ng kaklase ko sa akin. Hindi siya peke. Kasi binili namin ito sa teacher na. Nagbebenta siya. Let's watch it! Lamig. Yung ano shade niya. Oh, this. Dito kasama. Ito lang. And this. Paano ba? Ini na lang. Next. Caroline liquid lip tint. Nagamit ko na siya. Medyo siya aksayado. At bakit siya mabilis na ubos? This is the Caroline lip tint. Liquid lip tint. Para siyang walang color. Baby lips. sira na to guys eh. Ginagamit ko na siya sa pagkailang na lip gloss. Yung baba, ito yung kailan, ito yung blue. Ito hindi ko matatry ito kasi peel off siya, peel off. Pero ang color niya is romantic pear. Color pink. I have a NYX. Bigay ng ate ko. Liquid NYX. Ito siya. I got a brush, paddle brush. Wait. Hindi ko nalilinisan yung mga brush ko kasi wala akong pambili. Yung ate ko lang bumibili ng makeup ko. Paddle brush na madumi. And eyeshadow brush. Hindi ito kakabili ba? Sabihin na kakabili pa lang ito pwede siyang concealer and eyeshadow blush. Blush. Eyeshadow brush. Yeah, there you have it. Sorry po kung di po marunong makeup introduced to all of you guys because I'm not makeup guru. So yeah, this is the short video and hope you guys like it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on the subscribe button and leave a comment. Bye.